hope you are ready for what I'm about to show you today. This is one of Pulte's most popular floor plans, and I can't wait to give you a tour. Are you ready for the Pulte Creekview? Let's go. All right, welcome to the Pulte Creekview. I'm so excited to be sharing this beautiful home with you today. We are here helping some of our customers who just recently closed on this home. We are getting a garage floor done, so don't mind the hurricane shutters there. All right, when you walk into the creek view, as you can see, you get a great, nice long view looking out over the backyard. It's actually raining today, which doesn't happen often. You know, we have 300 days or more of sunshine here in Southwest Florida. So you don't see quite as much sunshine as you would normally see there. But when you come in off the front, right away, we've got a nice large bedroom right up here in the front. So our customers are letting us take this video so that we can share with you the beautiful home that they designed and put together. So pretty standard bedroom right up front. And then you have a nice full-size bathroom, dual sink. I just love the black hardware that they have picked. And they did upgrade this to a walk-in shower with the black frame. So sharp. This bathroom here does double as your guest bathroom, open to the rest of the home. So one of the things that makes this such a great floor plan is that you get 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and you get this flex space here. So you can choose to keep it as a flex space, you can turn it into a den with doors, and then just a couple other things that you might be noticing. So again, this is a home that was just recently closed on. So when you do move into a Pulte home, you do need to get window coverings, blinds. And then just another little note, they always have the electrical wired there, but it's left for you to go ahead and add your own fan or light. They did choose to add the high electrical to hang a TV here in this room. So great sized den. Again, one of the great things about this floor plan. Okay, so moving out here, I'm going to show you one other great little bonus. Check this out. If you've watched our videos at all, you hear me talk all the time about closet space and long driveways and sidewalks. So there is an option to turn this and keep this as storage, extra storage space here in the Creekview. You can also turn it into a workstation, have a built-in desk, and have this wall opened up. So when you're building from scratch and from dirt, you actually have multiple options that you can choose. All right, we're just gonna take a quick peek into the garage. Again, they're having work done out here. So you can see they have just recently epoxied the floor. Very cool color. So another bonus of the Creekview is you do get the 3rd stall for small car or a golf cart. Now check out this living space. Wide open, huge great room. I love stylistically what they have done in here. So we've got a navy blue island with beautiful quartz counters. They did the built-in kitchen option and did white cabinets with black hardware everywhere else. Waiting for the actual fridge that goes with the house. So there is a little bit of an appliance shortage happening. And then check out the nice corner pantry you've got in here. It's pretty great. Tons of room in there. But my favorite thing about this kitchen is this amazing, huge island that opens up into the space where everyone wants to be hanging out together. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna come off of the kitchen and great room here. And I'm gonna show you the other bedrooms. So again, we have 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms in this floor plan. So we've got bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then also tucked away back here, you have another full bathroom. This one has a shower tub combo. Always a good idea to have at least 1 bathtub in a house from a resale perspective so that people have a place to wash their babies, grandbabies, pets. And then also back here in this little area of suites is the laundry room. So they have gone ahead and decided to add the sink and keep it pretty standard, and I believe that the intention is that they're going to have a handyman come in and spruce this laundry room up. So I love the split bedroom design of this floor plan. You've got 1 suite up in the front, these 2 bedrooms and bathroom back here in the middle, and then you've got your primary bedroom all by itself back here. Oh, what do I see? An extra closet. Sad how excited I get about that these days. Great size primary bedroom. Love the 3 big windows side by side, just letting in so much light. They did choose to put in the door to the Lanai option, and this is pretty cool. Some people don't realize this, but when you add this option, I'm going too fast. It's all built in part of the door to give you the privacy built in there once I figured it out. And just wait till you see what they've done in their bathroom. Love, love, love it. So they decided to add a tub. Again, super cool hardware, and check out this shower. That option was not available when we built our house, and I love it. So very generous primary bathroom. Again, they went with a dark cabinet on the bottom. Looks so sharp. I love the light in here. You actually have 2 windows. You have a full window at the end there, and then you have the little window over the bathtub. And you have your water closet and a very nice size walk-in. So just to give you an idea here, lots of room and lots of options in here. There's a lot to work with. So, and it is common when you build with Pulte, they typically try to leave you some extra tiles and a little extra material just in case you need it. Another amazing feature of the Creekview is how big your covered lanai is. Check this out. You have so much room to work out here. So they have chosen to rough in for an outdoor kitchen. Really smart upgrade. So they are ready. They've got the electrical up there so that they can go ahead and add an outdoor kitchen when they're ready, place for the hood to vent out. And then they've got a spot for their TV to be hung, already pre-drilled. They did add surround sound, extra lights. So they are ready to go. And a nice, large backyard. Just waiting for them to put in their custom pool. Can't wait to see what they do. Okay, so I want to know, what do you think of this Creekview? You can leave us some comments below. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can always also reach us on our social media channels, or feel free to text us or give us a call. If you love what this Creekview has to offer, you should absolutely check out this video on the place at Corkscrew. That's the community this home is located in, and you can find out all about it.